Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I have a package here from Sephora, and I have this little black package that is from Il Makiage. So we're going to get right into it. I have nothing to tell you about ahead of time. This is my refill for my foundation from Il Makiage. I think I got the first one 3 months ago. So let's get the back. This is the box that it comes in. Nice. And there is a little card. And this is how you get it. Very nicely packaged. Just gives you little tips on how to apply it. I think most of us know how to put foundation on. So I got a refresh of my foundation, which is sealed down. So let me see if I can just open this. I have about maybe a quarter left, which I think every 3 months will be fine. Been loving this. So it comes nicely packaged. You just pop the top here and your foundation is in there. And then this is my shade. And this is 060 Woke Up Like This. I think that's my shade, which is fine for me right now. And then they've been sending a free gift along with it. And this is Black Card Lift Curl and Lengthen Mascara. I don't know if I'll keep this or not because it is a full-size one, and I generally don't like the full size. I prefer samples. I can try more, and this might go to waste. So I'm not sure what I'll do with that, honestly. And that's my refill for my Il Makiage mascara. Foundation. And I think I got either a liner or mascara prior. So that's that. And then in this box here from Sephora, I have a few things to share. This paper, my receipt. What I purchased is from The Ordinary, and this is caffeine solution 5% plus EGGG. It reduces the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and puffiness. I think this was like $6. It was under $7. I knew that. And this comes in a glass bottle right here, and that is pretty full. I have tried The Ordinary products and love them. So I wanted to give this a try. I'd seen lots of great reviews on it, just to try to help lighten it up and brighten it up. I don't really have puffiness per se, but every little thing can help. And if that is as good as they say it is for under $7. And then I got the Sephora Favorites Hello package, but I actually got 2 of them. It was set A and set B. I don't know which is which, honestly. So I think one product might be different. I'm not really sure. So we'll just open one. Does it tell me? Yes, it says it on the back, set A. And then this one should say set B. Yes. It says set B right there. So we'll do A first. Let's see how these open. Do they tear? They just open. Oreo's down smelling everything. These are cute bags. Just, we'll see. I don't know. Do they give you a card? So you can get 15% off. If you thought the trial sizes were fun, just wait until you get the full size. So there are coupons on the back. If you like anything in your bag, you can get the full size and save some money. That's always a bonus. The first thing in set A is Living Proof, which I'm not a big fan of this product at all. I don't like Living Proof at all. It says Intense Moisture Mask for a hair treatment. So I'll probably put that in a giveaway, just because that is not I don't like that brand at all. From Caudolay, we have Vino Pure, and this is a skin perfecting serum. I love Caudolay, good brand. And let's see what's next. Glowy Makeup Serum. Oh, from Laneige. That's here. Let's see the size. Obviously these are just small samples. Oh my goodness, could that be any smaller? Wow, that's tiny, but a serum. You don't need much. Hydrating, long-lasting makeup wear for all skin types. Okay, happy to have that and give it a try. This Oh, what is this from Lancome? Juicy Tubes. I would assume that this says Marshmallow Electro Ultra Shiny Hydrating Lip Gloss. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like right there. That's cute. Love a lip gloss. I have a lip gloss on today. So we have from Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentration. A little sample. I thought I picked some samples when I ordered this. Oh, this, I have no idea. So it comes in this little tube right here. Tiny, tiny. Happy to have it though. I'm not going to complain. And then here we have Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. It's probably an eau de parfum. Yeah. Oops. I like getting all the perfume samples because then you can try it out yourself. So it's a little tiny bottle. Let's pop that out. That one's even less full than some of the ones from Macy's. That's a little strong for me. It is a floral. Yeah, I'm not necessarily... I could have swore I had some samples that I was supposed to get. I'm gonna have to look into that. I don't see them now that I'm just thinking about it. I thought there were some samples that were supposed to be included. Okay. And let's see what's in set or bag B. I think these are cute. I think pretty much a lot of the same stuff except for one product. So we have the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery as a duplicate. The Living Proof is a duplicate, so I'll give both of those away. I will give one of these away from Lancome, the lip gloss, and it's still Marshmallow Electro is the scent. Oh, how nice, because you got, I might keep both if I like it. The serum from Laneige, the eye serum, the makeup base. We have another Libre from Yves Saint Laurent. Still, you know, this is 15% off the products. These bags are extremely similar except for one product. And in this bag is Caudalie, and it's Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. So that's the different item. So what was different in this bag? Oh, we just different Caudalie products, I think. So in the set A, you get the Skin Perfecting Serum from Caudalie. And in set B, you have this from Caudalie. So still the same brand. And this is Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. So this one's a, you know, glass bottle. So they're the Sephora Favorites Hello, bag A and bag B. $10. So, you know, I think a pretty good sample bag for $10. Plus, I'm so excited to try the Ordinary. And I know I did pick 2 samples because I think you could have gotten 2 samples. I don't see them in my box. I'm not worried about it. They're samples. Tell me what you think of this, plus my Il Makiage refill. I'm telling you, the Il Makiage liquid foundation is phenomenal. I don't have it on today. I actually have no base on today. Just a little lip, brows, and just overall dusted with powder. It's hot. It's humid. I'm in the house. I'm filming. Could I have done a full face? Yes. I'm not going to, just to hang around. It is the weekend for me. It's not a normal film day, but I wanted to get caught up on boxes that I have received so far this way, because next week I think a good majority of them are coming. So I don't want a table full of boxes already, and then that just gives me anxiety. So I wanted to get caught up. Do you like the Sephora favorites? I did post in my community tab about the Target boxes. There were 2, and then the Sephora favorites Hello were back in. I cannot get the Target box. I was going to get the nails one, but it's out of stock in every store around me, and they won't ship it if it's not coming local. And I didn't want the hair one. I just don't need it. I will not use a lot of the products in there, but the nail one, I would use the majority of. I'll keep on checking to see if they pop back up in one of the Targets around me that I can have it delivered, and then I'll try to get that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the community post about these being in stock and able to be purchased. If you wanted to get them, you could get on it right away before they sell out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.